Ball. And the first possession is from the Batya community. That's number 14, Flies. Mises. And number 8. It has Rampe for the 3 points by number 20. The 28. Batya community, of course, in the offense. One go.
Yung pink dito Shano, 28.
And I see number 0 from the team Batya. Rebound by number 40. That's number 0. Pulls the 3. Recovered by number 15. Lakas lang. Rebound pero wala. Tira. Number 5 to number 8. Tira ng press. Sablay na sa number 21. Ayan, sino ba? Para magbasahan. Number 10, penetrates, finds number, puts it in. Ganda ng pasahan. Batya community. The 3. Number 8. Number 28. Number 28. Pinasa Kampe, holds the 3, overshoots, rebound by number 34, puts it in. Number 15, Esteban, finds number 0. There's an offensive foul by number 11. First personal foul, number 11. Number 5 to number 8. And there's a foul committed by number 11. Five to shoot. Alright. Shot clock violation. And a steal by number 8. Out of bounds. Now pass to. What a beautiful pass and a score by number 3. Kasi number 5, yung number 8. Baseline shot, wala yan. Rebound niya yung number 0. Penetrates, no look pass to number 15. Rejected. Pass to number 34. And it's good. Round 1 basketball. Sino yung na-foul?
Yun no, 0.
Number 0, first personal. Third team foul na ng Batya. Substitution. Wala pa ito. Every 5 seconds. Every 5 minutes tayo, every 5 minutes. Number 0, pulls a 3. One go, rebound by number 14. And a steal by the team Shano, number 5. Low pass to number 8. Number 8, perimeter shot, in the paint, in and out, recovered, and there's a foul. And number 3. Foul number 3. Substitution na. Platon tayo, Platon. Number 3, first personal foul. Number 34 will be the line, first bonus. And the first one, wala. Second one is good. Captain ball, looking for his teammates, finds number 15, pulls, overshoots. Rebound by the team Shano, number 8 now. Number 8, pinasakay. And a score.
And a steal.
Hello.
Steal yan. Check. Wala na yung battery dyan. Yung ano naka-charge.
Hello. Number 11. Number 8. Number 2. Back to number 2. 5 to shoot. Buzzer na lang marinig. Forcing the offense. Wrong goal. Rebound. By the team. Tatya Pharmacy. Number 7. Mamarin looking for his teammates. Finds number 30. Pulls. Wrong goal. And one basketball by number 5. Number 9, sorry. Time remaining, 2 minutes 48. Number 9 will be the line. Bonus, wala yan. Rebound by number 11. Number 11, drop pass to the Roma, number 9. Number 9 to number 7. Amaril. Lays up. Sablay. That's number 22. Number 22 finds number 8 in the paint. Floats, one go, rebound by. Out of bounds. Score now in 10-6. In favor of Shano. Number 7, rejected. Down bola, out of bounds. Team Shano inbound on the ball, number 8. Number 8, number 22. Number 11, behind the back pass. Number 22, pulls the 3. Number shoots. Rebound by the Batya. Batya Pharmacy, number 11. Number 7, the captain goal. Number 13. Number 13. Number 7, forcing the offense on goal. And single possession tayo. At the community, puts it in by number 5, number 77. Number 8, co-winner, recovered, number 8 steal, by number 11, behind the back pass, to number 22, 5 to shoot. Buzzer na lang. Forcing the offense. And there's a foul. Committed by number 9. foul. First personal foul, number 9.
Wala pa.
Second one is good. Number 22. Forty-five seconds tayo. 11-9 ang ating score. Number 7. Ball was deflected. Ipsiano. Umira ng press. Wala yan. Rebound ng Team Batya. Community Pharmacy. Mamaril. First covers. Inaras.
16.
16 seconds. Katiako pulls a 3. One goal. Rebound by number 16. Number 16 inaharas. 2 seconds na lang tayo. And that is the first quarter. Our score is 11-9 in favor of Team Luciano.
Yan yung score nila sa first day. Nababantayan kasi pareho nila, no?
Nahasel sila. Sa first quarter, pag hindi nila magamit yung isang timeout nila sa side, hindi ba nila timeout na quarter? Wala pa. So, okay, bakit ito yung timeout na sila? Hindi nila gamit ang score, bakit nila gamit yung score? Kailangan nila ubusin yun sa second quarter, yung tatlo.
All possession ng Luciano. Luciano's ball. Ang sunod ng maglalaban ay Team Maliw versus Boss 1010. Magandang bakbakan din yan, Senior Division. And is number 11? Finds number 5. Number 11 seal. Back to number 5. Pulls the 3. And it's good. 3 balls. Number 15. Number 15 to number. Rebound by number 5. There's number 20, number 11, pulls the 3. Sablan tira. And Batya boys, Batya community, finds number 15 to number 18. Rebound pa rin yan ng Team Luciano na Team Batya. Hesitates, traveling violation.
Tama lang yan kasi mamaya big ball na.
There's number 11.
Number 11.
Grabe. Number 16. Wala yan na rin na yan ng Team Luciano. Nakuha pa rin ng Team Luciano yan. Number 11. Number 11 to number 11. Dalawang number 11. To number 11. Tumira. Wala yan. Rebound number 15. Yeah, there is a foul. No foul rep. Sino na foul rep? Number 6. Okay, number 6 is foul.
26.
26, sorry, 26.
Sabi ko na kondo, kolokobo. Pumasok? Ha? Pumasok? Ito sa kadami.
Ay, hindi ako.
Pumasok dalawa?
Isa lang.
Isa lang pumasok.
Oo.
Number 16. Natapig yung goal ang kanya number 28. Traveling violation. Yes. Number 15, Fitzgerald. Score natin, 16-11. Nabasa apat, 5, kalamangan na Shano. Shano number 11. Kick pass, still number 11. Number 28. Forcing the offense. Wala yan. Yan pushing pa ako. Gano'n ba? 24.
Payat.
Number 3.
3.
Bata community. Pinasa ka number 16. And steal by number 11. Number 11. Pinasa number 28. Number 28. Ang papatuloy. Crossing the big board. Hesitates. Flies. And it's good. And steal. Pinasa ka number. And there's a foul. Number 18 is fouled. Grading first personal foul. Laton substitution. Okay, back to the hard court.
Naglaro na siya.
Kanina.
Second na.
We are still in the second quarter of this game. Time remaining 5 minutes, 80 seconds.
Time out ba?
Pag tayo mga, pwede sila magpalit.
Pero yung iba hindi nagpalit eh.
Number 8, Kim Shano, setting up the play. Finds number 15, 25. Number 11, baseline shot, 3, one go. Rebound by the team, Bata Community Pharmacy. Libre na si number 16, puts it in. Number 8 to number 28. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound na yan ng team Bata Community Pharmacy. Nagpapalagay si number 0. Number 0 steal. Forcing the offense, puts it in. And one basketball. Number 22 is fouled. Wala pa rin yan, recovered. Puts it in.
Number 15? Number 15, no? Number 3. Pumasok ba?
Oo, 16. Number 16. Sana.
Libre yan si number 16. Number 25. Wala, rejected.
May battery.
Ano ulit?
Hindi na, ano yung ball ba to?
Pumasok?
Hindi. Ayun pumasok.
Time out. Batya Community.
8, number 8.
Number 8. Pasok.
Dapat chargeable din ang binili mo, hindi ito.
Ang aling score ay 22 in favor of Team Shiano. Mabasa ilang sa kalamangan ng Shiano. Lose ball. Same ball possession tayo. Number 0. Team Shiano pulls 3 balls.
3.
Mula sa dalawang kalamangan ng Team Batya Community Pharmacy. 10 to shoot. Number 25 forcing the offense, rejected. 5 to shoot. And there's a double dribble violation. Ayan na. Number 0 to number 3. Pulls the 3. Overshoots. Rebound by. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ng Team Batya. Lumipat na si number 3. Wala. Nakuhulit ng Team Shiano yan. Team Shiano. Nagmamadali. Pinasa sa kampo. Pero nakuha ng kalaban. Recovered. Number 8. In the paint. Puts it in. Deadlock tayo. 24 all. Number 0 pulls a 3 short. Rebound by Team Shiano. Number 11, pass number 8. Balik na number 8. Instill yan ang number 0. Labels in number 3. And it's good. Ace favor tayo. 48 seconds. Number 11 pulls the 3. One go. Rebound by number 18. To number 3, Mendoza. Number 3, umikot. Kasi number 15 to number 0 in the paint. To number 3, overshoots. Rebound by the Team Shiano. Number 8. To number 11, Louis Bart. And it's good.
15 seconds, basta na lang.
Number 22 pa na yun. 10 seconds to shoot. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Batyakom. Ganda na basahan. Buzzer dito pa. Number 3. Ang gaganda ng mga pasahan. Parang nanonood tayo ng pro basketball. What a beautiful showdown basketball by the Team Shiano and Team Batya Community Pharmacy. Our last game for tonight will be between Team Maliw and Team Boston 10. Maganda-handa na rin kayo. And this time is brought to you by our beloved sponsors. Aris Nieto, Noriel German, and Aris Alvin Cotaco. And of course our beloved Mayor JB Villanueva. Thomas Forswear and Fridays. Back to the ball game. And as you number, Pulse puts it in 3 points, number 0. Wala na tayong platoon. Ayun na. Rumes back din si number 5. Traveling violation. Number 8 setting up the play, finds number 5. Back to number 8. Balik kay number 5. 6 to shoot. And a steal by the team. Batya Pharmacy. Number 3. Number 15 penetrates. Rondo recovered. And there's a foul. Substitution rep. Who's foul rep? Number 5. Number 9.
Pumasok ba?
Hindi ko makita.
Second one, won't go. Pumasok ang una. Number 8 now. Looking for an open man, finds number 5. Back to number 8. Number 8 still. Tumira si number 28. Short ang tira. Out of bounds, same ball possession. Alright, number 5 inbound ball to number 8. Number 8 penetrates, floats, short. Rebound by the Batya. Number 0, libre na yan, puts it in. Score, 34-28. Time remaining 7 minutes in this third quarter. Number 11 is airball, rebound by number 34. Number 28, short pa rin yan. And there's a foul committed by number 5 from the team Shadow, team Batya. And it's fouled by number 19. Number 9. So played kay number 8.
34.
Number
34. Number 0. Number 0 doon. Tinitingnan ko pa yung number ng ba ano. Hindi ko naman masyadong na ano pa eh.
Rebound by the Batya committing Pharmacy, number 9. Closing the offense. Rondo. Rebound by number. Wala pa rin yan. Number 15 still. Rejected. Number 9. In the paint. Rondo. Ang score 39-30. Libre na yan. And there's a foul. Substitution. Here's foul rep. Number 13. Who's foul rep? Sino kayo na foul? Number 13. Sasiano.
Dito siya ano oh. Batya.
Second one.
34.
Pumasok dalawa?
Dalawa 34.
34 yun, free throw.
Free throw, dalawa.
Number 7, Mamaril. Ang ganda ng pasahan, number sa ilalim. Pasok lang kay number 18.
Nakikita ko. At yung mukha hindi ko.
Yeah.
Hindi ko talaga yung number niya.
Number 18, rebound. Number 7. And there's a foul. By number 12. 20. Number 20. Number 28. Number 28 is fouled.
Time to shoot!
10 to shoot tayo.
5 to shoot!
7 to shoot. Mamaril. Tinirahan ka na ng 3. Rebounds.
7.
By number 7. That is number 22.
Sub
Number
down.
34. Number 34, number 8. Finds number 5. Back to number 8. Baseline shot. Over 0. Rebound by number 22.
Ay
Wala yan.
mag-sub down.
Substitution. Balik ang bola sa team. Shano.
Time out.
By timeout team. Shano.
Tatlo pa sila, di ba? Dito.
Alright, na-bis na. Susunod na maglalaro. Back to the ball game.
Ibon yan, ibon.
44-32.
Ibon yan, yung pag-traffic. Sino naman sa kanya?
Number 25, wala yan. Na-rebound ni. Number 7, Mamaril. To number 18, baseline shot. Puts it in. Number 18. Number 5, 2 points.
8. 8. Ayan o. 5 ba yan? 8.
Lamang ang ano, siya.
Number 9. Number 30.
Pwede shoot.
Endo yun. Tumira ng 3. Malakas ang tira.
Number 5 yun, tumira ka rin. Yan yung tumira kanina.
8 na. Ang kulit mo.
Okay. Number 7. Number 9. Wala. Same ball possession tayo.
Lamang dito.
Lamang ang bato.
Number 7. Wala ang bola. Out of bounds. Ito na basahan. Mamaril to number 77. Number 34. Rebound. To number 8. Pass to number 22. Up to number 8. Number 11. Lumipad. Puts it in. Number 34 pala to. One minute, 39 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Meron pa kayong tatlong timeout dito sa Badya Community Pharmacy. Ayan na si number 22, nagpapadali ng mga bola. Lumipad na yan. Pasok yan kay number 22. Number 77. Number 77, forcing the offense. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 5. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 34. And one basketball. Number 23. Number 13 is foul. Second personal foul, number 13. Number 34 will be in the line for his bonus shot. And the bonus won't go.
Bilis ang pangyayari. Ganun-ganun lang.
We are now in the third quarter. Last 1 minute tayo. Ano si number 13? Number 13 penetrates. Nakita yung kakampi. Number 7, Mamaril. Pulls. Won't go.
No, susunod yung oras natin. Patapusin tayo.
And it's good. Number 18 is good.
Last game na sana tayo.
Oh my.
Pero kasi tayo sumaya, mag-alas 6 na eh.
Great penetrates, overshoots, recovered by number 34. Nawala ang bola, nakuha yan ng Team Shano. Team Shano number 8 to number 15 seconds na lang tayo. Number 1, number 8 is burning the time. Penetrates, pulls, won't go, rebound by number.
Oras.
The number 7, number 8, libre na yan. And that ends the third quarter of this game. Our score is 48-42 in favor of Team Batya Community Pharmacy.
Sige po, sir. Waiting lang po.
Isang game ka, no?
Dalawang.
Dalawang game ka.
Yung first game, sir. Late lang do. Late na kami nagsimula nila, sir.
Kaya sa'yo eh.
Nakita ko si Idol ang pinakpala.
Meron kang 200 yan.
Wala po, sir. Ay, teka po.
Hindi ang pinakabot mo ito eh. Oh, ito na.
Ano ito po?
Ah, yan. Ano yan, para mabarihan na.
Pagluluto ka kita mo, lutas.
Team Siana in batting ball number 34, looking for an open man. Pass number 25, number 25 to number 5. Number 8, setting up the play in the paint, pulls, won't go, out of bounds, single possession. Technical tayo. Upper the goal room.
Technical ulit kayo dyan, delaying the game.
Number 11 in the line for his bonus for the technical free throw, and it's good.
Number 11.
We are now in the last quarter of this game. Number 5 to number 8. 48-43 on its what? Number 25. Number 25 to the number 5 to number 25. Scooping that shot, won't go. Nagagawa ng ulit ng pagkakasal. Shot clock violation tayo. Hindi tumama sa ring eh. Shot clock violation yun. Hindi siya tumama sa ring. Number 18 to number 4. Number 9 forcing the overruns with a conversion shot. Number 8 to number 11. Number 11 pulls the 3. Air ball. Rebound by the Team Batya. Team Batya number 0 penetrates and there's a foul committed by number 8. Number 8 first personal foul. Our score is 50-43 in this last quarter. That is number 3. Mendoza setting up the play. Mendoza skill. Anong gagawin? Tumira ng press. In and out ang tira. Rebound in number 5 from the Team Shadow. Number 8, crossing the midcourt, looking for an open man, finds number 25, pulls a 3, puts it in, 3 points, number 25.
40 ba galing?
Oh. And one basketball by number 15.
Number 5 daw.
Number 5 is foul. Second personal foul, number 5. And it's good. 53-45 ang running score. Yan is number 8. Number 8 against number 3. Finds number 5. Number 5 to number 8. 10 to shoot. Number 34 to number 8. Number 8 in the paint, floats, puts it in. What a beautiful isolation. And a conversion shot made by number 8. Number 10 to number 3. Mendoza setting up the play. 10 to shoot. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ng Team Shano. Number 8. Naagawan. Steal by number 15. Number 15 steal. Penetrates. Drives. Won't go. That is number 8. Looking for his teammates, setting up the play. Against number 0, finds number 5. Baseline shot for the 3, and it's good. Number 3, Mendoza, crossover. Muting na bola ang bola, recovered by number 9. Number 9 to Mendoza. Pwede shoot tayo, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ulit ng Team Shano yan. Balik sa team. And there's a foul committed by number 8. Number 8, second personal foul. Substitution ref. Substitution pass. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds in this last quarter. Our score is 53-50. Mabasa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Team Batya Community Pharmacy. And now see Mendoza, number 3, 5 to shoot, and there's a foul committed by number 11. Number 11, second personal foul. And there's a foul committed by number 29. Was foul rep number?
28.
28, okay, number 28 is foul. Second personal foul, number 28.
Shoot number 15.
First one is good. Second free throw is good. Number 8 to number 5. Balik kay number 5 to number 8. Number 8. Number 5, baseline shot, short ang tira, recovered by number 8. Hesitates. Scoop that shot, and it's good.
Hindi ba nilalagay sa may ganda?
Wala yan, na-rebound ni number. Mga score, 52-55. Pasok yan sa Team Shano. Sige, bilang.
Wait lang ha, bilangin ko. Minsan na late eh. 37. Wait lang. Okay, fine.
54-55 in favor of Team Batya Community Pharmacy. Isa na lang ang lamangan ng Batya Community Pharmacy. Ayun ang si number 15, Esteban, setting up the play against number 5. Behind the back dribble, forcing the offense. Sublime tira, well-defended basketball by the Team Batya Community Pharmacy. Number 8 to number 5, faces shot, in the paint, floats, short. Rebound to number 11, number 14. Good back shot to number 8, and it's good. Meron si number 18. Number 18. Pinunin ang depensa pero wala yan. Na-rebound ni number 11. Number 11. To number 34. Forcing the offense. And there's a foul. Committed by number 3. Number 3. First personal foul. Sorry, number 3, second personal foul. Number 34 will be in the line for his bonus. Ang score natin, 55-56. Wala pa rin. Second free throw. Let's do it. 57-55. In favor of Team Shiano.
34. One shot.
What a strong offense conversion by number 0. Number 8 setting up the play. Nunit ang depensa, forcing the offense, overshoots. Rebound by number 0. Ang Team Batya. Team Batya Community Pharmacy, number 15. Rejected. Well defended basketball by the Team Shiano. Warning for faking a foul. Substitution. Meron ba kayo isang timeout ha? Natira. Meron kayong tingin isang timeout. Batya Community Pharmacy, ayan, Shiano. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. 57 deadlock tayo. It is number 11. To number 8. Number 5 to number 28. Forcing the 3. Won't go. Rebound by number 0. Drop pass to number 15. Floater. Rebound by number 11. Number 11 to number 22. Drop pass. Nawala ang bola. And there's a foul committed by number 22. Number 22. First personal. Substitution. And the play is 57 in these 2 minutes remaining, 2 minutes 31 in this last quarter. Ganda ng laban na Shiano at Batya Community Pharmacy. Meron pa kayong tig-isang timeout. Both teams. Ano si number 0, hinara si number 5. Number 5 finds number 9. Walang bola, out of bounds. Balik possession sa Shiano. Is steal. And it's good. And one. Basketball by number 3. Mendoza. Substitution. Sino ngayon na foul rep? Number 11. Okay. Number 11, second personal. Third personal foul. Sorry. Penalty na tayo, situation. Bonus shot, one goal, recovered by number 34. And there's a foul committed by number 13. Third personal foul, number 13. Number 11 pulls, puts it in, 3 points. Change favor tayo. 60-59. And it's scoop shot by number 3 again, Mendoza. Balik ang kalamangan sa Batya. Number 5. Number 5 to number 8. 8 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. This is number 0. Setting up the play. To number 15. Finds number 3. Puts it in. Ganda ng pasahan. Ulit pass na walang bola. 63-60 in favor of the team Batya Community Pharmacy. What a beautiful showdown basketball by these two incredible teams. 57 seconds na lang tayo in this last quarter. Number 0 pulls the 3, puts it in, 3 points. Baba sa anim ng kalamangan ng team Batya Community. Number 8. Timeout Shiano. Wala nang timeout ang Shiano. Meron pang isa sa Batya Community. Time remaining 41 seconds in this last quarter. Penalty situation, Team Shiano. Maghanda-handa na ang susunod na maglalaban. Team Malo versus Boss 1010 in the senior division. Ganda ng laban ng dalawang team na to. 6 points ahead ang team Batya Community. Inbound in the ball, nakuha ng Team Shiano yan. Pulls the 3. One go. Rebound pa rin ng Team Shiano. Number 8. Number 5. Fakes. Pulls. Short. Rebound ng Team Batya Community. Nasa number 0. Number 0 setting up the play. Burning the time. Number 0 steal. And there's a foul. Committed by number 8. Number 8. Third personal foul. We only have 20 seconds left in this last quarter. Number 0 will be the line for his bonus. And the first one is good. Second one. No look, pasok pa rin yan. Ganda ng confidence. Ayan na si number 8. Very good defense. And one goal. Rebound by number. Wala pa rin yan. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Number 3. Mendoza. Puta magkadang pa. Supply. And